What's going on YouTube? OCD for EDC here, and what I got for your faceballs today is an unboxing video. Now, one of the packages I already opened up, and I'm just going to talk about it a little bit. This came from Spyderco, and I tried to order some hardware, and I was looking for a couple pieces of hardware, and I gave him the model number of the knife that I was looking for the hardware on, and offered to buy the pieces of hardware, and I asked for a quantity, and they told me I could only have two. And they told me that they do not sell hardware, so they wouldn't allow me to pay for the hardware. They would only ship me two screws for free. And it showed up today. They also sent along with some Loctite, which I guess maybe was a hint for me to stop losing screws. However, this wasn't a situation where I lost screws. I was actually wanting them doesn't really matter. The point is, I was trying to buy some hardware, and I found out that they just flat out will not sell it to you, which is kind of a bummer. But they did send me two screws and a little tube of Loctite. So I guess that was nice. It did come free of charge, which, yeah, like I said, I was more than happy to pay for it. They just were not going to allow that to happen. All right, so we're going to jump into this. I've got multiple packages here. Hopefully, there's one in particular that I've been waiting on since March 24th or 26th, something like that. So shipping has been a disaster. I think most of you know that. Unboxing knife today is going to be my Pearson Custom Knives Titan. So yeah, let's just jump into this and let's see what we got here. So I'm pretty positive all of these are going to be TwoSun knives, but which ones, I don't know. So let's see. This is how they come. For those that don't know, they all come in these pretty simple boxes, and they come wrapped in plastic like so. And then they also generally are covered in oil like this. So I've got a rag here so we can wipe these off. So these have been in transit for a very long time. I mean, months. So yeah, this one here is a pretty cool knife. I don't remember the number on this one, but definitely one that I was looking forward to checking out. You can see it says TwoSun knives. What does it say there? Yeah. It just says where they're made in China. And then, yeah, I'm going to have to pull this off to look at it a little closer. I can't really see it so well. So this is what it says on the other side. Same thing. So pretty cool that it's got some writing on it. But here's the knife here. You can see this little area there, which I'm assuming you're going to be able to... Oh, yeah. Let me try that again. There you go. So, really cool knife. Like the looks of that one. It's a night morning design. 14C28N. This thing's begging for some anno. Oh, yeah. Yep. Definitely a cool one. And the action, of course, is wonderful, as they always are. It's perfectly centered. Yeah. Yep. Definitely a cool knife. It's a little bit sharp up here on the end of the pocket clip. Oh, look at that. Yeah, where the screw... That's definitely going to need to be sanded down because I could feel that in the palm of my hand. But, yeah, it just makes kind of a square edge right there where that screw goes through the pocket clip. Kind of interesting. But, really nice. I like the milling lines left on there. It's pretty cool looking in the directions and whatnot. And then, yeah, this area around the holes here is just perfectly smooth. So, yeah, nice full titanium construction, 14C28N. Okay. Actually, you know what? We're going to wait on those knives real quick because I also have a big old box. And I'm pretty sure I know what this is. So I'm going to I'm going to open this off to the side real quick. I'm pretty sure that this is a knife storage case. So let's take a look at that real quick. The old Titan is doing a good job here. Let me make sure I don't hit the camera. That is exactly what this is. Let me get this crap out of the way here. Alright. So, I don't know if you guys saw these or not, but these were on drop some time ago. And this just showed up, so it's got a little carrying strap. And I don't remember, let me look at the paperwork here. Yeah, so it says there's your, it's a Coyote Pilgrim real steel 22. So I'm guessing there's 22 spots in there. Let me move some stuff out of the way. So this is what it looks like. It's got this little, oh, that's kind of an interesting clasping setup. It doesn't necessarily lock and or snap into place. It just holds that through there. Okay. Oh, and then you've got, yeah, just some snaps there. And then on the inside, you've got some kind of woolly-like material. So we've got, we've got a few different sizes here. So this is like a knife roll. So you've got 6 smaller holes here. You have 5 larger ones across right here. And then you have another 6 down here, which I just folded that over. And then another 5. So you got 2 rows of 5, 2 rows of 6, different size openings. And yeah, that would be 22. So, and then it says anti-wave right there. That's kind of interesting. It's showing up better on the camera than it does in person. And it's structured in this portion right here. There's like a, oh, that's going to be your carrying handle. Yeah, there's like a piece of metal or really dense plastic or something in there that keeps it structured, which is nice. But, you know, it's like Cordura type material. But, yeah, looks nice. So we'll definitely check that out a little more. And, you know, came with the strap, which is cool. So I will certainly show that once I get a little better chance to take a look at it. So let's get into another TwoSun here. All right. Let's see what we got here. Like I said, some of these they were shipped long ago. And I honestly, on a couple of them, actually this one right here, I'm pretty sure this is the 196. This one I had pretty much just given up on and decided that it probably wasn't going to show up because the tracking on this thing had not updated since like April 25th. So, and today is, what is today? June 8th. So, yeah, this is called the Sabertooth, and this is a Mazwan Mokhtar design. Beautiful knife. Nice thumb ramp. The gorgeous kind of, you know, whatever you want to call that, Spanto blade. But, yeah, you do have a finger choil there. Full titanium construction. This one is in M390. And I'm going to assume that, let me look here. Oh, yeah. So it's kind of hard to see, but right in that area right there, all Mazwan lately has been putting all the info inside the handle instead of putting it on the blade. So they do have the steel designation on the blade, but that is it. No TwoSun logo, no maker's mark, no nothing. It's just a sterile blade other than the steel. Would have been kind of cool maybe if that was on the flipper tab, but you know, whatever. It's good right there. Perfectly centered. Action is perfect. This one's also going to be one that's really cool to do some cool anodizing on. Yeah, definitely a cool knife. And yeah, awesome. So I'm really glad that that one showed up, because I was getting worried that it just flat out was not going to show up. Okay, so this is the last package here, but we have 2 in this package. So there's 1, there's 2. Get this out of the way. Move these guys up. I'm gonna wipe that blade off. Man, they just come coated. I swear they must literally dunk these things in a bucket of oil before they wrap them in plastic, because it is just covered. All right. Oh, this is another Mazwan design. A little bit older one. I mean, it's still fairly new, but this is the 139. But it's definitely an old number, but it didn't come out that long ago. So sometimes, some of these designs, I don't know if it just takes longer to get them through production, or if the designers just weren't ready to go when they actually got designated the number, because this one here is the 196. This is like maybe 243 or something like that, and this is 139. And this knife was originally available maybe, I don't know, 3-4 months ago. Let's see if we can. Oh yeah, she front flips perfectly. Does have a thumb disc. It is not integral, although it does kind of look it. You do have that seam there, and then you've got a little lanyard pass through, some carbon fiber. I love the fact that it's got the lock bar relief cut internally. You can see this one here is rocking S90V. Again, no other billboarding on the blade, so it's all internal. And of course, we'll definitely do reviews on all these. You can see blade centering is absolutely perfect. I hit my finger with it, but the thumb disc absolutely works. Oop. There we go. Good Lord. So, pretty cool knife, pretty cool Warncliffe design, and certainly this thing, the front flipper, works perfectly. Yeah. Really, really nice front flipper action. The geometry's good right from the get-go. Flips very, very easily. And pretty cool looking knife. So, something different. And yeah, pretty cool. So, there we go. Those are the 3 so far. And we've got one more. So, let's see what we're working with on this one. I don't remember which it is, but now that I'm looking at it, I still don't know which one this is. So, all right, now I remember the look of this one. I don't remember the number on it. I will put the numbers of these in the description below. I'm just pumped that these are starting to show up. Just wiping the oil off here. So here we go. You got titanium pocket clip with some horizontal milling lines on there. It is also contoured clip, which is nice. Wow, that blade comes all the way to the end. So that's interesting. Looks like we've got titanium liners here, because you can see the 2 screws for a hardened insert on the liners, which is awesome. I don't know the blade steel on this, but you've got carbon fiber, and then you've got this dot pattern with these milling lines that run from dot to dot. So you can see it right there, and it is on both sides. So there you got a lanyard hole. You do have a few, if I remember right, this is probably a Wong design. Just has his, there we go, Wong design. And this one is 14C28N. Pretty badass. Let me move some of these out of the background here. Nice kind of upswept blade. It's not real upswept, but it kind of has that appearance to it, just a little bit. Certainly kind of a vicious looking thing, but oh yeah. Yep, that's about perfect in hand. Kind of digging the hole through there, just gives it a little visual interest. Really, really nice thumb area there. The jimping is basically non-existent until you push down. It just gives traction but doesn't feel rough on your finger or on your thumb there. But definitely we have a hardened steel insert. You can see right there, kind of. Let me see if I can. There we go. So there you go. There's your hardened steel insert. Relief is on the inside, and then you can see there's some heavy weight relieving. Oh yeah, just massive cutouts there. So this thing's very, very light for the size of it. Let me grab my scale. Hold on just a second. Yeah, this one's surprising me on the weight. I also just grabbed a little tape measure here. I wasn't prepared. I didn't expect to be weighing stuff in this video, but this one's quite interesting. So you've got 4 inches, maybe just even a tiny bit over, almost 9-inch knife overall. It's about 8 3/4, we'll call it. And let's see the weight. Yeah, 3.73. So that's getting her done right there. This thing is a beast. So under 4 ounces, 4 inches of blade. You do have a bit of contouring here on the carbon fiber, which is really nice. This thing's ultra comfortable in hand. Yeah, I'm really digging this thing. Like I said, I don't remember the number on it, but man, is it cool. So, really cool. So just to throw a couple others out there since I got the scale sitting here. So you got about 3 5/8, just a little over 3.5 inches of blade here on the 139. And yeah, 4.25 ounces. On this one, I think this is the 243 if I remember right. But I could be wrong. So just under 3.5 inch blade, like 3.3 or 3.4 inch blade. 3.774 ounces on that guy. But, you know, these are full titanium frame locks, so you kind of expect a little heavier. I guarantee there's a lot of weight relieving in there. So again, here we're looking in that, 3.3. Good Lord, just dropped my tape. 3.3 inch blade and 4.3 ounces. So, really cool. So this one I know is the 196. I'm almost positive on that. Pretty sure it's called the Sabertooth. I think this is the 243. I think. So we'll set him down here. Don't remember this one. And I'm pretty confident this one here is the 139 Barracuda, maybe. But I'll list them below. So certainly, I think, like I said, 139 Barracuda, 196 Sabertooth. I can't remember, and I think this is the 243. But with these two, I'll label them, carbon fiber Wong design and full tie night morning design. So you know which ones I'm talking about. But yeah, there you go. Pretty cool knives. Digging the knife case as well. And yeah, thanks to Spyderco for sending some bits of hardware. I would have liked to had some more, but yeah, they don't sell. So anyway, all right, guys, thanks a lot. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you're going to enjoy all the reviews coming on these knives here. And there's definitely more coming. So hopefully they show up sometime soon. So, all right, thanks. We'll talk to you later. Bye.